welcome back to Jen's Hangout today. This is just going to be a little quickie. So today we're going to make some cold brew iced tea in my rumble jar. Here we go. So with the Dollar Tea Club teas that I get. So what I do is I pick out a variety of teas that I think will work together and I throw them into my rumble jar. Today it's going to be Island Mango, Pineapple Sorbet, and Endless Summer. Sounds delicious. I'm going to dump these in here and we'll be right back. Okay, all my tea is in my rumble jar. I'm going to put the lid on it and fill it up with water. Okay, there we go. Okay, we're full up with water. See? So this is the plastic lid that I was telling you guys about, because you see up here, right there, I have the regular mason jars. These are the half gallons. You can get a gallon, and then you can order a gallon size rumble jar. I have the half gallon rumble jar. They come in different sizes. I will do my darndest to remember to leave the link down in the description box. But my link for the Dollar Tea Club is always in the description box. Now that I have my lid on, I give it kind of a little bit of a shake just to get things going and brewing. As you can see, they change colors pretty fast. This is I just used tap water and it was on cold, but Arizona folks will get what I mean. Probably Nevada folks too. My groundwater is room temperature right now. So now I will stick this in the fridge and let it steep for a few hours and it'll be ready to go and we can have some tea. So this is also a Whatever Wednesday. Woo-woo. So a tip for if you're making tea or cold brew tea or cold brew coffee, anything like that, and you want to add some sweetener to it when it's cold, hold on. Instead of using sugar, because generally when you use sugar, sorry, my pot rack's right there. Generally when you use sugar, you need to make a simple syrup to pour into your tea. I don't like super sweet tea, so I just don't add anything. Ooh, I don't add any sweetener, which is also good because I'm diabetic. But this is a wonderful product. These are honey crystals, and you can add them at this stage into here. Give them a good stir, right? You don't have to heat them. They dissolve really beautifully. They have a little bit of cane sugar and then the honey crystals. These do kind of clump up, so give it a good shake just to break them up. Otherwise, that's it. 1 teaspoon is 3 grams of carbs and 2 grams of sugars, just so you know. But this is really great, and it doesn't have that weird bitter aftertaste that honey can have a lot of times. So I recommend using these. So that's my tip for a Whatever Wednesday and some cold brew iced tea. Yummo, yummo. And like I said, I just keep it in. Really? Orion's got 2 cents in it. I just keep it in my fridge. And then once this particular round is gone, I will fill it back up, and this will make a gallon's worth of tea for 3 bags. 3 little pouches makes a gallon's worth of tea. So there you go. And remember, blessings to you all. I love you so much, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.